Hey Christian and Carly, it's Roger here. They asked me to do a quick walk around video to show you this 2025 Ram 1500 Tradesman Crew Cab. Does have that 2-liter twin turbo underneath the hood. I'm going to pop this up real quick. Got the twin turbo, so it has all that jam that you saw before. Has the front sensors and everything, and has aluminum alloy rims. These are the 20-inch rims. Full crew cab. Don't worry about the advertising stickers on the side or whatever, that'll all come off. But it does have the 5.7 box. It has the black tip dual exhaust with the backup sensors as well. The class 5 receiver hitch with the 4-way and 7-way plugs. Coming around to this side, just look in the back and everything. So it still has all that tons of room that we were looking at before. And coming to this side, so it does have your backup camera. It does have adaptive cruise control. It does have your Bluetooth and everything. It has that center console, but they can flip up, so you can have it for the 6th person. It's a nice truck. Love for you to come down and give it a drive, see if you like it. This is the one that they're saying that they can get an approval on. So just let me know. I'll talk to you soon.